Or get comments notifications or settings not working on Pinterest's Lite app. If you are not receiving comment notifications, comments aren't appearing, or comment related settings aren't working properly, it can affect how you keep up with activity on your pins. In this video, I will show you how to fix get comments on Pinterest Lite app. The first thing you have to do is to go to Pinterest Lite. Then here on this page, you will click on this sign of profile. Here on this page, you will move to the settings. After that, you will move to notifications. And here in this list, you will go to comments and you will tap here to enable it as you see. So this is how it works. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.